Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. This is not financial advice. The information on this channel is provided for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes. Since the creation of human beings, trading has always been an essential part of their lives. In the past, people used to exchange goods and services, but today the evolution of technologies has entirely changed trading modes. Even the concept of trading via physical currency is also diminishing. In 2008, a Japanese analyst published a white paper describing the new trading method in the form of the digital currency known as Bitcoin. Although the initiative didn't go well, and many people even started to make fun of his idea, but if we look at Bitcoin's journey from its meek beginnings in 2017 to its price peak, it has engaged investors and traders from all over the world. Within a decade, it spiked, crashed, and reassembled many times. But after 2017's crypto hype, the surge of its value is astonishing. Today, analysts call it a decentralized entity, a secure method, and the most accessible model to approach business across the globe. As it is based on mining technology, so the demand is limited to 21 million only. Thus, the hype in crypto markets has caused prices to go up inexplicably in a short period of time, drawing more investors. Many crypto enthusiasts say that Bitcoin's boisterous journey has paved the way for countless other cryptocurrencies being used for financial and investing activities. History and working. In Bitcoin's white papers, Nakamoto introduced the concept of Bitcoin as a decentralized digital currency. The main reason to provide the world with a completely decentralized system was to facilitate them by introducing an administrative fee system in which there'd be no administrator, but rather a public ledger of transactions that anyone can store on their computer. The official said, people can send coins to one another on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. They officially launched the first block, named Genesis, on January 3, 2009. After the mining started, it took them only 1 week to make the first successful transaction. In initial times, it was only accessible by miners who were validating the Bitcoin blockchain. At the time, Bitcoin had no real monetary value. Miner computers solve complex math problems to uncover new Bitcoins and verify previous Bitcoin transactions using this prototype by trading Bitcoin as fun. It took them almost 1 year to get the first economic transaction when a Floridian resident negotiated with a Papa John's pizza company and received $25 worth of pizza by sending them 10,000 Bitcoins on May 22, 2010. Just imagine, the coin that will compete for real gold in the future was worth only 4 pennies in 2010. If we compare that transaction with today's market value, that would have a value of more than $560 million. Due to a pivotal moment, all the crypto enthusiasts celebrate May 22nd as Pizza Day. This regulated experience resulted in the creation of many other cryptocurrencies. Within a few months, coders and miners started to create other networks like Ethereum and Litecoin. As a result, officials began to improve the code behind Bitcoin's blockchain, adapting it for different uses. After some time, people started to trade using Bitcoin alongside their traditional currency. Ultimately, it resulted in the involvement of more individuals, and as a result, the perceived value of Bitcoin also increased. From a value of a few cents to the all-time high of late 2017, when each Bitcoin touched the US $20,000. It has come a very rough and challenging way to dominate the cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin versus other cryptocurrencies. Today, there are more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies available in the market, yet Bitcoin is performing in several excellent ways and has managed to stay unique. The focus of other currencies is in developing contracts and digital services that can be paid for by using their own specific digital coins. Bitcoin has always lingered as a type of cross-platform currency. Other currencies are still limited to particular platforms in terms of trading. But Bitcoin can be used to make purchases anywhere in the world without being limited for use on specific Bitcoin-only platforms. Even in 2020, Bitcoin hit the headlines when PayPal announced that this popular currency would be recognized as a payment on their platform. Moreover, it is powered by individuals who deal anywhere from individual computers to full server farms, thus keeping the ledger active and verified. On every exchange, miners are given a predetermined amount of Bitcoin in return for the number of transactions they approve. With the increase in Bitcoin creation, the built-in halving events are built into the protocol whenever the limit of 210,000 blocks is reached. Similarly, the Bitcoin platform involves all active nodes to be able to verify the same transaction. Once the transaction is approved, they share the ledger with all other network users, keeping the system transparent and harder to compromise. One of the most exciting things for all the investors is that Bitcoin has a limited amount of 21 million coins that can be mined or created. After reaching this limit, no more Bitcoins can be created, and miners will be able to collect transaction fees for their work. Other currencies like Ethereum has no limit on coin production. Today, one Bitcoin is worth more than $56,000, and the price is increasing exponentially. Nobody even imagined that a coin could be worth so much in a few years. But it's been done now, and the journey hasn't ended yet. Some crypto experts say that the unbelievable surge in its price is due to the global business breakdown due to COVID-19, as lives have been limited to a work-from-home model. Once the pandemic will end, and life gets to its normal situation again, this increase in Bitcoin's price will slow down. On the other hand, some experts see it being a bright and exciting technology with more adaptability in the future. They say investment vehicles that are innovative, cost-effective, and transparent are nearing reality and will keep making investments in cryptocurrency even more accessible. As a result, the business of traditional markets will be badly affected. Keep in mind that there's no investment business where you can dive without risks. And if there is one lesson to be taken from Bitcoin's history, is that what goes up can also come down. And it can come down fast. After looking at these statistical approaches, one can make a good decision. Thank you all for watching. Go ahead and leave a comment down below of what you think of Bitcoin and where it's going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified of the next video. Talk to you next time.